Your first salary can quietly make you broke, even with a good package, because it makes you feel, खुल के खर्चो, पैसा तो आ ही रहा है ना. What if this exact feeling is the reason most new earners stay broke for years, even after increments, bonuses and promotions? Be honest, जब पहली सैलरी आई थी, आपने बजट सोचा था? या Zomato, Amazon, Goa? If your money keeps disappearing before month end, it's not because you earn less. It's because no one taught you one crazy simple truth. Money is limited, temptations are not. In this video, you'll learn two core money lessons every new earner in India must understand early. And once you get them, your salary and lifestyle will never feel the same again. The first salary feels powerful. Suddenly you can choose your own room, your own food, your own weekends. But when your mind is full of new phone, new clothes, new trips, where is the space left for savings, bills, emergency fund? Most young Indians don't want lectures from parents. They want to figure money out on their own through friends, reels, and trial and error. And that's where the gap starts. Most freshers think, Abhi to time hai, I'll save later. So spending feels harmless today. But here's the problem. Later keeps getting postponed. If everyone is figuring it out later, why do some people build savings in 2-3 years while others still live salary to salary after 5? The answer is not income, it's early habits. Remember that month you spent like a king and survived on Maggie and office canteen in the last week? That embarrassment of saying, "Bhai thoda UPI kar de, baad mein de dunga," that pain, that is your real money teacher. In that moment, one thought hits hard. Arey, paisa khatam ho sakte hain. Now imagine two people. One gets rescued by parents every time. The other feels the full sting and fixes it. Who do you think learns faster that money is finite and every swipe has a cost? So the real question is, how do you learn from small mistakes without falling into big traps like credit card debt? Now comes the most dangerous phase of early earning. Big buys that feel like assets. I bought a bike for 1 lakh rupees. I bought a car for 6 lakh rupees. I bought a phone for 80,000 rupees. Investment hai yaar. But here's the truth. Most of these things are not growing your money. They're quietly eating it. Take just one example, a car. Use it for 6 years, that's 1 lakh rupees per year, plus fuel, insurance, servicing. Suddenly it doesn't feel free anymore. Phones, laptops, furniture, same story, different price tag. Now ask yourself, how much of your salary is getting locked into these big things every single month? EMIs look harmless. Sir, sirf 2,999 rupees per month. But salary is not infinite. If one EMI takes 25%, another takes 15%, rent takes 30%, what's left for savings, skills, emergencies? The real question is not kitna EMI hai, it's salary ka kitna percent already locked hai. Because when 40 to 50% is fixed, one medical bill, one job loss, and the system collapses. Look at your lifestyle spends together. Clothes, eating out, trips, subscriptions. Roughly, is this 10%, 20%, 40% of income? If lifestyle is eating 30 to 40%, ask yourself, किस चीज का trade off हो रहा है? Emergency fund, skills, future goals. That clarity, if I say yes here, I am saying no somewhere else, is financial maturity. Whenever you buy something big, don't just see the price, see the hidden cost. Interest plus EMIs quietly increasing the real price. Less money left for things that grow, investments, skills, fixed commitments, killing your freedom to change jobs or take breaks. The smarter question is not, can I afford this today? It's, will this still feel smart when life throws a surprise? Two truths every new earner must remember. Truth 1, money is limited, but decisions decide who feels rich. Truth 2, every rupee has choices. Spend here today or save for tomorrow. People who learn this early use salary as a tool, not a toy. If this made you think differently, do one thing tonight. Open your bank statement. Look at your last 3 big spends. Next to each, write, was this worth cutting my future choices for? Screenshot this idea. Future you will thank you. If you want more simple, no jargon money lessons for young Indians, subscribe, share this with that friend who's broke by the 20th, and comment, money is finite, I am not. Let's make this the year your salary finally starts working for you, not just for brands and EMIs.